all, I'm Charu and he is Akash, and we are going to have a debate on old era versus modern era. So I'm in the favor of modern era and he is in the favor of old era. So what do you want to say?
Firstly, I want to say the old era people's life. They live very simple life without any problem. They have some problem, but they live very simple life without any environmental impact for pollution, etc. And they grown their food on, and they eat very hygiene food for their living.
You want to say they were living like a that type of life, just eat, drink and sleep. That kind of living a life you call life. I mean, in that type of life, there is no enjoyment without our obstacles and without our career.
But that time there is no purpose for to achieve anything. There is lack of awareness for what is the purpose of life.
So that's why we are saying modern era is good, because they don't have even purpose, they don't have even their goal and dream. So what about that kind of life?
They lived, but firstly they lived in a kingdom area, like there is a one person who ruled the area, and all the persons lived in under that leader. What the leader told them, then what they done.
Yes, in old era it's happening. I want to raise a point. It's about democracy. Now we have rights to give vote and to choose our best leader for ourselves, and we are giving votes, and even 18 years old children giving vote. So this kind of government we are choosing. So, and in old era what's happening, if there is a king and he died, so his future generation will become a king. I'm saying right?
Yes, it is right, but somewhere this thing is right because the king collected the king made their empire for his family, not for others.
So how can others grow if the king's son become a king? So what about other peoples?
The king work like the king work like as if now the court work.
No, I mean, in the old era, whatever king want, only that happened. Am I right? So, if a king want to kill someone, so he could. So that kind of democracy we had, but now we have proper right to choose our leader, our government, and we all know we have no right to kill someone because it's their life and we don't have that right.
Yeah, I can understand. Next.
Yes. What's the point? Right. Okay. So my next point is freedom for women. Now we know about today's women, but in old era, the women they don't have right. Whatever their family and their husband choose for them, they just do that things. And in old era, we know they don't have right to educate, to live their life happily and peacefully.
Because that time people not have so much money to give education their children, and that time people think when if they send his girl to get education, then he will seduce by anyone.
So it is right or wrong? They don't have even their own rights. Okay, I want to say what about child marriage? In old era, they were used to do child marriage, and you know in old era, if किसी का पति मर जाता,
If someone's husband died,
if someone's husband dies, so you have heard about sati pratha. What about that?
I think Sati Pratha started from 700 BC when a woman burned her for his husband. His husband got dead, and his wife do not
could not tolerate.
could not tolerate this. That, and all the people thinks this. All the people thinks took like the ritual, and also other phenomena happened when you know about Rani Padmavati. When Alauddin Khilji attacked his palace, Rani Padmavati together with his 16,000 dasyas, and he jumped in fire. That time where Sati Pratha started, and people think it is right because they think if a woman without his husband, they think if their dignity was, they are
You are saying
characterless.
in old era, people used to think that if someone's husband dies, so she don't have to need to live her life. You are saying that, but in now time, women are living a very happy life after their husbands died. So I want to conclude our message that we are living a happy life, so we don't think that modern era is not beautiful and is not good, because there is very common things we have, and that's it.
And